Hello everyone, this is Manoj Suryavanshi, currently working as an assistant professor in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, 5556 Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Subject Accommodation Operations 1, Subject Code C303, Chapter 2, Laundry Operations. This is my fourth session on the same chapter. The objective for this content is to know the laundry process in detail. So in this session, we'll come to know how many steps we have to follow in laundry process. The laundry process may be divided into the following main stages. There are basically 5 stages which are extremely important for laundry process. These are pre-washing, actual washing, rinsing, hydro extraction, and finishing. The laundry process start from the pre-washing. Pre-washing is nothing but what before sending all the clothes in the for the washing purpose. What all things needs to be carried out before washing is called pre-washing. Maybe sorting, then spotting, then remove the stains, then dry cleaning, right? That is called pre-washing. We'll explain in detail. Then the second step, which comes under major steps, is called actual washing. To wash the linen inside the washing machine properly as per the program which is set in the machine, and as per the type of cloth which needs to be washed. Then rinsing is also equally important, which helps to remove the stains from the cloth and which makes it very neat and clean and crisp, so that we can use it properly in the guest rooms, and which helps to maintain the standard of the hotel. Hydro extraction, it is also one of the steps which are also equally important as far as laundry process is concerned. Laundry hydro extraction helps to remove the excess water from the cloth after the washing has been done. So all the linens should be removed from the washing cycle. Once the washing cycle is completed, then uh, uh, it should be put into the hydro extraction, which helps to remove all the excess water which are present in the linen. And then finishing is nothing but to set the linen for ironing, then folding, then stacking and storing in the racks and cupboards as per the procedures. This is the actual steps of laundry process. You can see there are so many steps which are required to follow by the employee in the laundry department. So we can start and read one by one. Laundry process flow chart. First is collection and transporting of linen, then arrival of linen, then marking of linen, then sorting and counting of linen as per the department and as per the color or texture of the cloth, then weighing of all the linen uh, which are come in the laundry, so that it will be easy to send it for the washing. Always minus the weight of the trolley uh, of the out of actual weight, so that you can proceed for the proper function uh, for the laundry for the washing machine. Then loading of linen is also equally important. How to load the linen inside the washing machine. Then washing and rinsing, and then hydro extraction like I have mentioned. Then unloading of linen, then tumble dryer, then ironing and pressing, and then folding, then airing if it is required, and then temporary storage as per the department, and then transfer and use. So these are the steps which are required to follow as far as laundry process is concerned. If one of the process is skipped, so it may affect on your laundry cycle and laundry process, and you won't get the actual output or the result which you are expecting from the laundry process. Now we'll see one by one what do you mean by pre-washing. So pre-washing is nothing but what collecting and sorting of soil linen, all the linen which are collected by guest room, spa, restaurant and banquet department. that needs to be sorted properly, and that needs to be collected properly by the respective staff, and should be brought in inside the laundry, and then collection and sorting will happen inside the laundry. Then transporting soil linen to the laundry department. All the soil linen which are collected from the guest rooms and all the department wherever linens are being used, so all the linen should be collected properly as per the transportation system and should brought it to laundry department. Then sorting will happen as per department wise, that the banquet linen would be separate, then restaurant linen would be separate, and guest room linen would be separate, and the guest linen would be separate likewise. So it will be easy for the employee to categorize the linen properly, and to deliver it to your guest and to deliver it to all the respective department as per the requirement. And then weighing and loading is nothing but to weigh the linen which are brought by employee from various respective sections. So it will be easy to set the function in the washing machine, and you can wash it properly. If the weighing is wrong, it may affect on your washing cycle and you won't get the proper result. It may also damage your cloth. So always try to weigh the cloth, then load it to your washing machine. Now we are moving toward the function that is called washing. Now what do you mean by washing and how it works in the laundry department? To determine the right washing program, there are any number of programs which are set for various kinds of linen in the washing department. As far as table linen is concerned, bed linen is concerned, bed sheets are concerned, then duvet and duvet cover is concerned, or pillow protector is concerned, whatever the type of linen which you want to launder in the washing cycle need to be checked by the employee, and that should be studied in advance. That should be known by each and every employee, so that they can press the right button for right washing program. If they press wrong button for the right washing program, it may affect on your cloth, because every function and every program is set for as per the category of linen. Then duration, yes, it is extremely important. Duration plays also equally important role. If the duration is for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, or half an hour, so as per the program cycle you have to set the duration. Again, the temperature, as per the type of linen, how much temperature is required, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, more than that. So as per the type of linen and texture, you have to set the temperature also. Then agitation is also equally important, which helps to remove all the stains and dirt and debris from the cloth. So agitation is also important depending on the washing program. Then chemicals, yes, there are any number of chemicals which are eco-friendly chemicals which will not affect on your cloth, and which will mix in the water and you will get the proper result out of it, and which will increase the quality of the cloth, which will remove all the soil and dirt from the cloth, and will make it very nice and crispy. Then hardness of water is nothing but the type of water which is being used in the laundry department. It may be a soft water or a hard water. Hard water contains lots of salt, and which requires extra chemicals and extra water. So, and it takes extra time to clean the to remove the soil, and to remove the stains from the clothes as well. So depending on the type of water, you need to use the chemicals, and accordingly you have to set the program. Then a number of wash cycles. Yes, number of wash cycles are nothing but how much time is required to wash a particular linen. It may be a bed sheet, it may be a crinkle sheet, it may be a tablecloth or an apron or a sheepfoot, whatever. So as the type of cloth, washing cycle needs to be selected by the employee, and that much of cycle should be uh, done. So wash cycle, you can see there are any number of wash cycles. So flush, you can see 1.5 half an hour to 3 minutes. Sorry, 1.5 minute to 3 minutes. Then break means to break the tissue of the soils with the help of chemicals, which takes 4 to 10 minutes. Then suds, which forms the froth or suds in the form of mixing of chemicals and water, and agitation will happen, so it takes 5 to 8 minutes. Then intermediate suds, carryover suds, 2 to 5 minutes. Then bleach will take 5 to 8 minutes. Then rinse, again 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes. then intermediate extract 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, then sour, softener, starch and sizing will also take 3 to 5 minutes, which helps to make your linen very soft with the help of proper softener which has been added in the washing program. And then a final extract which also takes 2 to 12 minutes to remove all the dirt and soil from the cloth. So these are called washing cycles, which are depending on the type of cloth and which are depending on the type of washing cycle program. Now we are moving towards rinsing. This is done using hot and cold water, which are usually recovered and recycled from earlier steps during the last rinse in order to save water. So if the rinsing is done properly, it may save your water and may also affect on your cloth with the good output. It will help to remove all the stains and soil and all the dust from the cloth, and you will get the good cloth when the rinsing has been done. So you can also use hot and cold water as per the requirement of the cloth, as per the requirement of the washing cycle program. But without knowing anything, do not use any hot or cold water. So first do the study whether it is required or not, and then only use it. Hydro extraction, again it is equally important steps as far as laundry process is concerned, which helps to remove at least 50% water uh, used in the rinsing process, and thereby reduces the weight of the laundry load to a minimum. Pot prevents pronounced creases from setting into the fabric. So hydro extraction helps to remove the 50% of the water which are present in the form of moisture in the cloth. And with this machine, it helps to remove all the water and all the moistures and becomes more damp. And you can use it, and which helps to minimize all the other problems which may face in the form of linen, maybe creases or linings or make it crumbled or shabby. So all these things would be removed with the help of hydro extraction. And it also reduces the drying time because all the water is already been removed by the machinery. So obviously it will take very less time for the drying, and which also affects on your operations. You get easy flow of linen within a short period of time. Now moving towards finishing. Finishing comprises four steps, that is called drying, ironing, folding and storing. These steps are equally important because unless and until you will not keep the cloth for drying and then ironing and folding and storing, you cannot deliver the linen to your respective sections. So unless and until all these four steps are not been completed, do not hand over the linen to your employee. So first complete all these steps. Drying, to dry the cloth with the help of dryer as per the cycle or as per the program. Then if it is required, you can send it for ironing. So flat presses ironing machines are present inside the laundry, and then sleeves and what you can say, collar press machine you can use, then sleeve press you can use, then folding machine you can use. And there are any number of machines which are required for finishing process. And then folding, yes, folding equally important. Do not fold too many to your cloth, it may bring creases and lines on your cloth, and which also looks very shabby the moment you wear it. So while going for folding, you have to follow a particular principle, whether it will be a 3 fold or a 4 fold or a 5 fold, and then you can store. So storing is, there are any number of shelves and cupboards which are kept in the laundry. So as per the department, as per the sections and as per the type of cloth, you have to put it in a proper shelves and cupboard under lock and key, or else you can cover it with a proper cover, so that dust and dirt will not settle on the cloth, and otherwise all the hard work will go waste. So storing plays equally an extremely important role. So this was all about your laundry cycle and laundry process. So there are major 5 steps, and under each step there are so many steps which you have to follow. Now we are moving towards quiz on laundry process. The link has been given in the comments box in my YouTube channel. You can appear for the quiz, and you can see the score online. These are the references which I use for this PPT, and these are the website which I refer for to get the pictures or the images from the internet. And finally, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you so much.